How to turn Facebook profile into a page. Open the Facebook app. Go to your profile. You can see your friend list. Now scroll upward. Click on three dots. You can see many options. Click on Turn on Professional Mode. Click Turn on. Click on Continue. Your account has been converted into a page. Go back to your profile. Now you can see your profile was converted into a professional page. That's all from today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.